It's important to sign in with an alternative Gmail account if your institutional account has restrictions that prevent you from sharing a public Gemini link. On Gemini's main screen, type the detailed prompt that describes the app you want to create. Then select Tools, Canvas, and under Reasoning, choose Pro or Trial Plus. Press Enter. Gemini will immediately generate the code and open an interactive preview on the right side. Sharing the link to view in full screen. Paste the link into a new browser tab so you can view the app in full screen. Open Morning Routine and review the generated audio and the multiple choice quiz.
I usually wake up around 6:30, make a pot of coffee, and read the news before I head to the gym.
You'll notice the audio sounds robotic and unnatural. Try interacting with the responses and explore the other options.
The next train to arrive at Platform 4 will be the 14:30 service to London Euston, calling at Watford Junction and Milton Keynes.
Iteration and adding new content. Return to Gemini's editing panel and ask in the chat to add another topic, in this case, one related to AI in education. Because this is a free account, certain limits apply. You may see the message, "You've reached your limit for this reasoning model." To solve this, simply copy the link again from Share, then log in with a second alternative Gmail account. You will see a warning, "This application was created by someone else." Click Continue to import the project into your new account and keep editing without the previous limitations. Continue editing. In the new account, the user types in the chat, "Add another topic related to inclusive education." Result, the app updates in real time, adding the new category and questions without losing any previous work. Improving voice quality, refinement. The user notices that the app's voices sound very robotic.
Inclusive education isn't just about placing students with disabilities in general classrooms, it involves a fundamental shift.
They type the prompt, "Improve audio's not so robotic." Final result, the AI updates the code to use a text-to-speech API, Gemini text-to-speech API, with natural accents, American, Australian, etc., as heard at the end of the video.
Inclusive education isn't just about placing students with disabilities in general classrooms. It involves a fundamental shift in how we design curriculum.
Gemini has now enhanced all the audio recordings.
It's looking like a scorcher today in Sydney, expecting tops of 35 degrees with a chance of thunderstorms in the late afternoon.
This module helps students practice irregular verbs interactively.
That's great. We can integrate the pronunciation tool right here in the code.